If you've got a newer Tacoma, I'm going to show you guys how you can upgrade the front turn signals in it in 2 minutes or less with the GTR Lighting Carbide CAN Bus 2.0 bulbs. No resistor required, no drilling, no splicing. It is the easiest thing you can do on this truck, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. The first step is pulling out the original bulb, and you can reach it just like this. There's no disassembly required. These things, I love these newer Tacomas. Compared to newer trucks where you got to take a ton of stuff apart, these things, you can get right to them. Remove the original bulb, just like this, and you can reinstall the GTR Lighting Carbide CAN Bus 2.0 bulb like that. Now, here's what they look like side by side. And honestly, it is a alien technology looking bulb, but this thing works without any resistors, without any splicing, and man, we've been looking for something like that for a long time here at Headlight Revolution because nobody likes doing resistors. This is a brand new truck. It's got like 80 miles on it. The last thing I want to be doing is drilling holes in the frame, the sheet metal, soldering wires together. If I can just pop something in like this, we're good. Reinstall the bulb just like this. And that's it. That's really it. There's nothing else to it. No other soldering, splicing, nothing. And the sweet part is you're not going to get hyper flash. One thing to note about these bulbs is if you plug it in, you get it all together and it doesn't power on, all you got to do is pop it out of the socket, flip it around, plug it in the other way. They are polarity specific, not a big deal. Not only are these turn signals completely resistorless, but they're some of the brightest turn signals we've ever had on this channel. And actually, we just got done doing a low beam, high beam, and fog light video for these trucks. So if you don't have those yet, and this is the first video you've watched on the Tacoma in our channel, by all means subscribe. We've got a ton of videos coming down that are gonna be just unbelievable. We've got some of the brightest headlights in the world tested on this thing. They work great, and you gotta see them. So head on over to headlightrevolution.com. We'll get you taken care of. Thanks for watching.